Hey guys, it's Stanley Chima here with another video. So I want to show you how to add announcement bar to your WordPress website for completely free. So let's get on to this. So we start immediately by adding the plugin. So here at your WordPress backend at your dashboard, go to plugins and add new. So here I'll go ahead and search for simple banner. So here is it. I'll go ahead, click install and then activate it. So once it's activated, I go ahead to this side, you're gonna see it has appeared on your dashboard. So if you don't see it, just simply refresh and it will definitely appear. So let's go ahead and click on it now. Alright, so once this has opened, you go ahead and do the settings here. So it's quite very simple. I'll walk you through. So the first thing you see here is to hide banner. Make sure you put it on no so that it can display. Once it's on yes, it wouldn't display. And for this, I preferably want to leave it on the header. Okay, if you want, I just want it to be on the header format, but you can always mess around with this for the one that is more convenient for you. So close button enabled. I will just leave it, not turn it on for now. So button expires. How long do you want it to stay? You could add the date. Okay, so if you just want it to last for a week or two, you just put it up there. Then the font, you can choose the font number wherever you want, but I'll just leave it without putting anything there. Then for the background color, you can use the exact color value, but I will just use this. Let me just use this for this. I think it's okay by me. Then the text itself, I think white doesn't really look good here, so I'll rather change this one to something like this. Okay, I think this is better. Then the link color, I'll just leave it like that. So we'll go ahead and play with it. Then the close button, you wouldn't see it if I'm to turn this on. If I'm to click on this, so let me just say this here. So as you can see, this is the close button. It has appeared, but I will use black. It's not seen. We use something like this color. Okay, that's quite okay. All right, now this is the where this area will come back to this. This is where you actually put this text you see in here, where I'll come back to it. That will be the last thing I'll do. So here you have the simple banner position. Where do you want it to stay, or footer or static? I just kind of love using static. Okay, if you want it relative sticky so that it can follow the person up, but you know, I don't just want to harass people visiting the site. But anyways, you can just walk out around anyone that works for you, but I'll just stay with sticky just for this tutorial. Then the margin top, I just want to leave everything the way they are. The Z index, let it just be the way it is. For this, remember, you can always play around and get whatever you want. Now for this place, to change this text the way it's gonna appear, they require you to use an A tag. So if you have any basic knowledge of HTML or CSS or whatever, you would be familiar with that. But not to worry, you're not doing any coding. All you just have to do is to come here and copy all of this. Okay, let me copy this and paste it here. Let me clean this dot, is not needed. All right, so to explain to you, this is text you put. Write anything. Let me say to get, sorry, to get the offer. I'll come to this place in between here and here and write something like this, where you the text that contains the link. Click here. Okay, now this particular one that has the HTTP, this will be the page or to wherever it will take them to, the number, email or whatever, a form or anything. So I'll just use this website, one of the pages. Just for this lesson. Alright, so that is it. If I click out, you see, notice on the, oh, I think I made a mistake here. Oh, I cleaned one of this. Don't make that mistake. Okay. Alright, so it has cleared. So I mistakenly added that. So this is what you see to get the offer. Click here. You notice this one is the one that has the link. If you check down here, once I put you check down here, you're gonna see it here. So let me go ahead and save this. Scroll down and go to save changes. Then we'll go ahead and see the effects. I'll refresh the page. So as you can see, it has appeared here, although it seems to be fighting with my header, sorry, with my menu here, but it's not really an issue. It's okay. Or I can turn off the menu or shift the menu a little bit down. Just go to your menu. If you also want to learn how to get a sticky menu like this, I will link the video to the description below, or check up here or at the end of the video. So guys, this is how you basically add your banner, and then you take your time to try out other things and see the one that works for you. Make sure to like and subscribe to this channel if you got value from the video. My name is Stanley Chima, and I'll be coming with more tutorials like this.